friends. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss the practical aspect of our last topic, that is called as tokenization. Okay, so we are taking the help of Python and the NLTK library, which is called as Natural Language Toolkit. So here is the sample program for tokenizing process. So starting from the line number 1, this is a very short program. So we have written from nltk.tokenize means we are taking the help of natural language toolkits tokenize package. Okay, so this is a predefined package which is available in NLTK library, and from this package we are importing the function which is called as word underscore tokenize. Okay, so this is a predefined method which is defined under this NLTK libraries tokenize package. Now we have taken a simple string named as doc, and we have defined a sample string here. This is like hello iTechnica, comma, how are you doing today, question mark, and that single slash is used for line break in Python. And then next line says the word is great, comma, and Python is awesome, full stop. Then there are so many learners, and then they are ready to understand things. Now we have to print the value of tokenized words. So what we will do, we will simply print the word underscore, we will simply call the function which is called as word underscore tokenize, and we will pass the doc, which is this string which we have defined here, as the parameter in this function. Okay, so we are taking the help of Python 3.6 and with the IDE which is called as Spider, which is a part of Anaconda distribution. Okay, so let us execute this program. So when we execute this program is saying tokenized words as we have printed this line. So this line is generating output here as this, and this word underscore tokenize function is taking this data as an parameter, and it is automatically tokenizing it in the form of, take a look, hello iTechnica, comma, how are you. So it is generating hello, comma, iTechnica, comma, how are you doing today, question mark, the word is, and so on. So what it does, it is simply tokenize each and every part of this document and printed it as a single string. Okay, whether it is a single word or a comma or a question mark or a full stop. Okay, so this is how tokenizer works in real scenario. Okay, so I hope you understand the tokenizer with a real example, and in the coming lectures we will also try to show you the real examples of later topics. Okay, and if you have any query regarding this, then you may ask in our comment section, and if you like our videos, and then kindly subscribe us. Thank you so much.